hurts my tummy. Whoa, stop it! You're gonna attract another predator!
Quiet down there! Pretty sure there's a rule against tummies ringing in.
Hey look, there's some food.
I'm so hungry! It's delivered! Dr. Fox, don't you have some sort of invention that could help? What?
Whoa, guys, you feeling all right? I'm not feeling too good myself.
Lenny, what exactly did you put in those sandwiches?
Yep, belly's empty.
Oh no, I can no longer hold it.
And I'm your teacher, too! I'm hungry, 이번에도 날! 차가운 걸 너무 많이 먹었어. Now, who should I tease next? Memo. I wonder. I'm starving. Hey, sounds like my tummy's psyched too.
What was that?
My stomach. Oh, too much ice cream.